Well, I did some recordings for Tarkov a little bit earlier, and it was how like every clip that I had made for and all the quests I had did, uh, it was having a whole bunch of audio issues. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a test run as a scav on factory. Why not? If I immediately die, it'll be a little unfortunate because then I might not have a long enough clip. So we're going to go ahead, do this, and hopefully see that our audio isn't peaking out over and over again randomly throughout the video. Because that was the big issue is I'd be talking normally and the audio would be normal, but every once in a while, for some reason, it would peak. And that peak would ear rape, and nobody wants to hear that. And fixing it became impossible in some of the longer raids where we have a whole bunch of peaks because of gun noises and such. So I did edit a couple settings in my sound settings on my computer. So hopefully that would fix the issue. If it doesn't fix the issue, uh, I'm gonna have to buy a new headset, and that would not make me very happy. I could also just buy like a proper desk mic. Excuse me, desk mic that these other people like streamers have that are pretty high quality with like a pop filter and stuff. I don't know if that would change my issue or not. We'll see. But like a really unfortunate part is all those clips are now useless and all the quests I did are now useless. I could edit them into just the gunfight parts just for a little bit in a couple snippets, I guess. Maybe that's how I can salvage it. That's probably what I'll end up doing and formulate it into a quick video. It wouldn't be too much of a loss then, I guess, as I'm not too good on the commentary side of things yet. Anyways, I have a lot of ammo and okay bullets. Are they on the rafters or they're in the bathroom running on the metal? IPS ammo, right? Yeah. So this is a player scav.
А вот тут мой корефан точно.
Wait, really? My man survived a headshot with no helmet. WPMC out there. That was a PMC. I think I actually missed him too. Could be wrong. But got? Do we have armor? A shitty coal pack I do not want. Well, I mean, I guess this was good enough for a test run, so we can go ahead and extract. I mean, wasn't a big deal. Nothing in there. Check these jackets real quick. Maybe we'll find a nice key. We've probably already been searched. Yeah. Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and get out, see if any of the audio issues are still happening. If not, then we're in business. Now, unfortunately, these next couple clips won't have live audio because of the aforementioned issues in the gameplay earlier. So, currently we are doing the Bronze Pocket Watch quest, and it took me a couple attempts to actually manage to finally complete the quest. And here's one of my earlier ones where I decided to go in as a Mosin man. Just with a P.A.K.A. and a penis helmet and a Mosin, that's it. And I think OPS GZH. So, quickly unlock the cab and struggle a little bit to get up there, but I finally loot the pocket watch, and now all I'm thinking is I need to get up. Like, let's just get this quest done so I don't have to keep running back here and dealing with the random players that decide to show up and cap you in the ass as you're running out, you know? Oh, and I spot someone. Yeah, and he's geared. So, for some reason I decided to fight him. After I obviously meet my unfortunate end, spoiler alert, I was thinking, why didn't I just run to the right and go out the holes in the wall? I don't know why I kept peeking him, knowing it was a bad idea, but yeah, I met my unfortunate end there. So, moving on to the next clip. This time I decided to just go in with the pistol, and not even one I normally use. It's just like, you know what, do an even cheaper loadout this time. Okay, so here's about the point where I decided to give up on audio recording that wasn't live in this specific way that I was doing it. I was editing the video and I was like, yeah, no, it's gonna be too much effort for such little reward. I figured it wasn't exciting enough to even watch, just because of the audio. So what I went ahead and did is, yes, I completed the quest. The final clip here, I'll let it run out, and I'm going to delete the rest of the audio that was bad from the other quests that I completed in other raids, and we'll just start fresh. So I am going to upload this video, but I'm not going to upload any of the other ones. The next one you'll see will all be live audio. I don't. Yeah, it's just not worth it. So see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.